Hello everyone. Welcome to our free online lesson for today. My name is Shabika Harul and I am a CAD application engineer in Acad system. So for today's lesson, we will learn on how to do the simple motion animation using script in AutoCAD. What is script? So script basically is text file that contains a sequence of commands that can be executed to automate repetitive tasks. Scripts are saved with the file extension .scr and can be edited using a text editor like Notepad. And how do script works? First, we have to create a script file using a text editor and then type the commands you want to execute in the script file. The third one, save the script file with the extension .scr and then you will run the script file in the AutoCAD. We will go to our main topic for today, which is the simple motion animation. So creating motion animation in AutoCAD using a script requires a combination of AutoCAD commands and knowledge of keyframe or time-based animation techniques. While AutoCAD does not natively support the creation of animation directly through script in the same way that animation software does, you can simulate motion by using script to move objects step by step and save the result after that. So this is step by step. The first one, you have to prepare the object for animation. And then the second one, you will group the objects. Third one, determine the motion. And then you create the script file and then save the script file. The last one, you will load and run the script in AutoCAD. This is the example of the script. The first one is rotate. So we will use the rotate command. And then G stand for group. And then our is our object. This one is our coordinate. We will receive. This is our coordinate. And then negative 0.1 is negative stand for the clockwise direction. The clockwise direction, and 0.1 stand for our rotational speed. Welcome. Right, this is the example. So let's get started. I will open my AutoCAD. All right, the first one, we have clock. So let's make a clock. I will click the circle and put the radius for 40. And then offset to bring in. And then I will draw the number. 12, I will make it bigger. 4. Now I will do the polar array. Select the object and the center point. Right, at the item, I will make it 12. And then I will not rotate the item. Then close array. So right now I will make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now I will do the minutes, second, and hour hands. So the second I will do by line, using line. Okay, and then I will draw the minutes and hour hands using the polyline. So this one will be the minutes width will be 2, and then 0, and then this will be 3. Okay, and then this one will be our hands width 2, 0, and then this will be 3. Okay, so this is our second hands, hour hands, and minutes hands. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I will make this in a group. So just click G, stand for group, and then this click name, and then give it hours. Hours. Okay, hours, and then just click this hours and then enter. Okay, so now group hours has been created. Do the same thing for minutes and second. So name minutes, and then this is 10 for minutes, enter, and then minutes has been created. Now G for seconds, name seconds, enter, and click the seconds, enter. Okay, so this time we just click notepad. Okay, enter, enter again. So the notepad will pop out. So right now I will make the script to make this hands rotate. So the first one, we will use the command rotate, R-O-T-O-T, rotate. And then G stand for group. Next, we have to put hour. Okay, next, this time we will put coordinate in here. So how can we find the coordinate? Okay, coordinate, we will click ID, and then at this point, just click and F2, then we just copy the coordinate here. Okay, and then click Control C. Now go back to your notepad. Okay, just paste this and then remove the Y and then replace it with commas. Okay, and then enter. Now negative 0.1. Okay, why negative 0.1? Negative stand for clockwise. Okay, 0.1 for a rotation speed. Now we will type rotate again, G, this time for minutes. Okay, minute also at the same coordinate, so just copy this coordinate over here, copy and then paste. Okay, enter. Now just put negative 1. Rotate again, G, and then this time for seconds. Also the same coordinate because all of these in the same coordinate. Okay, and then enter again, negative 5, and then the last one, the important part, which is RSCRIBT. Okay, this is the important part. You have to put R script. Okay, and then just save this. Okay, let me find it. Just okay, put this is the name of the file, clock.scr. You must put scr at the back of the clock. Okay, then click save. Okay, so right now you want this to be animated, right? So just type scr script, enter, and then find the file, this one, and then open. So right now, if you click back, if you click the space bar, it will be moved. Okay, you see our clock already moved. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the first animation. So we go to the second animation, which is gear. So the first one, if you notice, we just use same coordinate, right? So this is just one coordinate. So for gear, we will use two coordinate. Okay, so how to do it? That is the same thing lah. Just go for G group and then name. So put gear 1. Enter. Now just highlight this gear, then enter. So gear 1 has been created. Next, G again for group, and then give it a name, gear 2. Enter, and then highlight for gear 2. Then enter. Group gear 2 has been created. So how can I know that I already have two groups? So just click down here, group manager. So right over here, you can see gear 1 and gear 2 already been created. All right. So just close. And then the same thing, you type notepad, enter. Okay. This time, okay, the same thing, you just type rotate again because we're gonna use rotate. Rotate again, G, gear 1. Okay, now we can search for the ID, the coordinate ID, and then the first gear. Okay, this is the coordinate. Then F2, just copy this, and then paste. Okay, right now just delete this and replace with commas. Okay, and then 1. For the rotation speed, I put 1. And then because I want it to be anti-clockwise, so I don't have to put the minus in front of the 1. And then rotate G, gear 2. Now, gear 2 is not in the same coordinate, so we have to find the ID for gear 2. So ID, and then find the ID for gear 2. Okay, this is the coordinate. Throw, and then paste over here, delete this, replace with commas. Okay, and then -1 because I want it to be clockwise, in clockwise direction. And then the important part is our script. Okay, so right now just save. And then this is for gear.scr. Okay, remember to put the scr after the name. Okay, then click save. Okay, right now I just type scr for script and then click here over here, open. Now we try to press spacebar, and then you can see our gear is rotating. Okay, you can see my my left hand is in the clockwise direction, and my right hand is in the clockwise direction, and the left hand is in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. All right. Next one, we have car. Okay, so before I forgot, if you get this script, if I click enter, I can make this gear in automatic rotation. It can rotate automatically, but it will be lagging a little bit. So I try to click save. Okay, scr, script, and then gear open, and you can see it is rotating, but lagging a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we go to the car. So this time I want to make the car move. So I just just take the car from here, from the tool palette, metric one. Okay, click here, and then I will change this car to the top truck. Okay, to the truck. And then I will mirror the truck. MIRR. Okay, right over here. Yes. Okay, and then I will make a line 0, 0 for about okay, just put 5,000. Okay, and then move this car to the line. This line at the UCS icon. Okay, and then I will offset for about 5,000. Okay, like that. All right, and then I want to copy this truck and bring it up to this line, to this point. Okay. Okay. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I will make this two car move. So the same thing, we have to group the car G and then give it a name car 1. Enter. So this is the car 1. So the car 1 has been created. G again, name car 2. And then highlight the car 2, enter. So the car has been created. Okay, so right now, okay, the same thing. The same thing, you have to type notepad, enter. And now it's a little bit different because before this we use rotate, but now we have to use move command. So type move and then group, so car 1. Okay, and then we have to put the coordinate. So the first coordinate is right over here. Okay, this is car 1, right? So this first car 1. Wait. Okay. ID this point and then F2. So just copy this point. So just copy and then bring here, commas, and then, okay, I want to move the car to this direction, 800. Okay, so I will take this coordinate, ID, this coordinate will be 800. Okay, and then just paste over here, commas. Okay, this is the second point. This is the first point, and this is the second point, the distance. And then type move again, G and car 2. Okay, this time you have to find the coordinate for line for the car 2. So this time I will take this and go for 800 also. Sorry. Okay, so ID again. Okay, and then F2. So this is the coordinate. Paste this right here. And then replace with commas. Okay, sorry, this is the second point actually. So the first one will be 0, 0 because it is in the UCS icon. ID, click right over here. See, 0, 0. So just copy 0, 0, 2. Okay, this is the first point. Just copy for 0, 0. replace this with commas. Okay. And then I will make the second car delay a little bit. So I will make delay and then put 200. Okay, as usual, the important part is our script. Like that. Okay, make sure there's no space. No, it's okay. It's not okay. This is there's some space here. So just delete. All right, so just save. And then car dot scr. Okay, save. I just want, okay, I delete this and then delete this. So right now, what I'm gonna do is just type scr for script and then click car open. So right now, I will click the space bar. As you can see, the car are moving. But if I click, you can see there's some delay for the car too. See. See. Might be some issue. It should be delay lah. 200 millisecond actually. Okay, but that's okay. Maybe there's some issue in our script. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's okay. It should be delayed a little bit actually for 200 millisecond. Okay, this delay time 200 millisecond, but that's okay. Okay, we move on to the car 2. Okay, this time I want to make the car moving, but at the same time, the wheel will be rotated. Okay, so tool palettes, vehicle, okay, vehicle, and then I will make it mirror. Okay, mirror subject, yes. And then now I will put for okay, right now I will make this car as I will explode this car actually. So just highlight and click X for explode. So now the car already explode. So the first one I have to do the group, and I will choose this group, these things, and the G and then name. So C1 for circle 1. And then I will click this circle, enter. So C1 has been created. Next, G again, group, name. So C2, circle 2. And then I click this one over here, enter. Okay. Next, G again, name, wheel 1, W1, enter. And then I will highlight this wheel over here. Okay. Delete this. And the wheel 1 has been created. Next, G again, and then name will be W2, enter. And then highlight this wheel over here. Sorry. Okay. And then enter. So wheel 2 has been created. So let's check. Okay, C1, C2, W2, W, okay. So right now, the same thing. We have to, okay, the last one, we have to click group. This time for the car, and then just highlight for the car, enter. Okay, car has been created. So like before, we have to type notepad, enter. Okay, now for this car, okay, this is like a little bit different because I don't want to use the coordinate. Okay, we have to use UCS and then OB. So why? Because we want to align the UCS to an object. So I want to align my UCS to an object. So what is the object? The object is C1. C1 and C2. So C1 and C2 basically will be the UCS icon, will be this UCS. Okay, the UCS is oriented relatively to C1 and C2. Okay, C1 and then rotate because I want the wheel is rotate within the C1. Okay, so rotate and then group again W1, so wheel 1, and then enter. 0, 0. 0 is 0 is the base point for the C1 and C2. Negative 10. Okay, like I said before, negative 10, negative refer to clockwise direction, and 10 is the rotation speed. And then UCS again, object, group, C2, okay, this one for C2, and then rotate, group, and W2. Okay, so next one we will make, okay, then 0, 0, and negative, see, negative 10 again. Okay, the next one will be for to move the car. Okay, this one is to rotate the wheel, the C1 and W1, C1, W1, C2, and W2. So, and then this one to move the car. And then we just type move object G for group and then car. Okay, next 0, 0. Okay, 50, 0, because I want to move 50 units along the x-axis. And then the last one is our script. Okay, so make sure there's no space. Let me check first. Okay, just click save and then this just car moving.scr. Okay, then click save. Okay, this time if I type scr for script and then click car moving, open, then I click enter. So before that, UCS icon. Okay. UCS icon, I will remove the UCS icon. No origin, so UCS icon already in the left corner. Script, car moving, open. Now if you, okay, I will turn off the grip mode, and then if I hit the space bar, you can see the car already moving. Okay, to see it clearly, I will put some trees. 2 pallets and trees. Okay. Okay. This and then rectangular array. Just make it 1. Make it 10. Okay. 10. Okay. Right here. And then close array. So just bring it right here. Again, script. I close this first. Script. Enter, car moving, open. So right now, if I hit spacebar, you can see the car is now moving. Okay, the car moving and the wheel also rotating. See? All right, just click the spacebar. Okay, as I said before, if you want to make it automatically, okay, Just put enter, but it will be lag a little bit. Save. And then script. Come moving, open. So let's see. It's moving, but yeah, lag a little bit. Okay. So I'm not suggest you to do the automatic one. All right. Go. Okay. So that's all for today. So before I end my lesson, our lesson for today, so I want you guys to just click at any browser. Okay, and type acadsystems.com. Okay, so right over here, you can see our KL branch and Penang branch. So you have any inquiries, you can just call our KL and Penang branch. So if you have any issues regarding to your software, for example, you want to install your software, the AutoCAD software, but you don't know how to install. So just go to Acad System Help Desk, and then you can raise your issue right there. So our technical team will help you immediately. And then if you have any question, you can just go to our live chat, click our live chat over here, and you can see our team already online. So you can just put your inquiries, what is your problem? So our team will respond it immediately. Okay, so if you can see right over here, we have our Autodesk product. We have AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, Revit, and so on. So if you click at this AutoCAD, you can see our price. The first year subscription is 6,000 something, and this is for 3 years subscription, 18,000 something. Okay, so then we have event, the calendar of event. Just click the calendar of event, and then this, you can scroll down, you can choose any event that you want to attend. For example, you want to attend this steel structure modeling with Dynamo and Autodesk Revit. Just click over here, and then you can see the RSVP here. Just click going. Okay, and then you can put your name, email, number of guests, and just click finish. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you can see our YouTube channel over here, our YouTube icon. Just click over there, and then you can see our YouTube channel. If you want to search for something, for example, you want to search for AutoCAD Plan 3D, so just type AutoCAD Plan 3D, enter. And over here, there's a various type of free online lesson in AutoCAD Plan 3D. So you can choose what type of topic you want to learn. Okay, you can just click and just can watch our free online lesson. All right. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, you can, if you have any question, you can just go to our website and just can go to our live chat to bring your inquiries, your problem. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye. Thank you.